Dear students, welcome to the 10th class chapter of Geography Manufacturing Industries. First of all, we have to know the meaning of the manufacturing. What is manufacturing? Production of goods in large quantities by processing raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. When we change the raw material into valuable product, it is called the manufacturing. Now our subtopic is that how agriculture and industries are dependent to each other. Agriculture and industries move hand in hand. See how agriculture and industries move hand in hand because many industries like sugar, textile depend on agriculture products. Cotton is raw material in cotton textile mill, and on the other hand, many industry products like fertilizers, irrigation, pump, PVC pipes, tool helps in agriculture productivity. So on the other hand, many industry products, that is the irrigation pump, PVC pump, tool helps in agriculture productivity. So in this way, we can see that both are dependent to each other. Now see next about the industrial location. Where the industry should be located. For that, we will see that the location of a factory is influenced by government policies, availability of raw material, labor, capital, power, and market facilities. The industry will be located there where there will be the suitable government policies, where raw material will be available, where cheap labor will be available, where capital can be invested, where power is available, and where market facilities are available, their industries will be located. See this flow chart, ideal location of an industries. Decision to locate factory at site. We will see that cost of obtaining raw materials at site, whether the raw materials are cheap or not, available easily or not. Then cost of distribution or production. Production, distribution of production cost is cheap or not. And where cost of production at site. The cost of the production at that place is high or not. So these are the factors. Where a factory, there is a suitable factors for the location of an industry. Inputs, raw materials, and component parts, that is the factors of production, land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, infrastructure. Transfer facilities, output products, transport, market. These are all the industry market linkages. Where these are available, their industries, there is a perfect location, ideal location of an industries. Thank you.